We are Chris and Ken. The last few days we've enjoyed the amazing Bocas del Toro with a stay on the water and a wonderful chocolate tour at Green Acres Chocolate Farm. In this episode we're going back to the main island with the goal to explore the jungle near Bluff Beach.
Two days ago, we left the wonderful place at Sebastian's, El Clandestino, and we came to the main island of Bocas del Toro, but not in Bocas town. We are up at Bluff Beach, and there isn't so much to do here actually. The last couple of days we have enjoyed the pool and we had some fun at the beach, and this morning we were supposed to go to the jungle, the rainforest jungle, but it have rained very much. Rain showers pouring down, and the whole garden was filled with water. So we were told that our jungle tour was possible. But someone just knocked on our door and said, "You want to go jungle?" And we were like, "Yeah, all right." So he brought us some boots. I don't know, water boots? I don't know what they're called.
Rubber boots?
Rubber boots.
Yeah.
2 minutes and we are ready for the jungle. I love it. Now I have done my part of planted in the rainforest. Oi! I think he made me a stick. Awesome! Thank you. Oh, it's heavy. Oh, look at this frog. Wow. He's all yellow and black spotted. Wow. You see him? Oh yeah. Yeah, I see him.
So even though it's just pouring down through the canopy with rain, it's actually not that cold, and the rainforest is just so alive. You can hear parrots, there were howler monkeys, there's a bunch of frogs, and the trail we're on is just a really natural trail, so it has a lot of downfall and roots and everything from these amazing trees and ponds. It's pretty cool actually.
It's so wild. And I don't know if it is sweat or rain on my body. Sorry. I'm good.
Grinding rock, grinding nuts or corn or whatever. Fits perfectly.
There have been native people in here. Nice. This is so awesome. I'm so sweaty and also very wet from the rain. But yeah, we're just walking in old leaves through the jungle. This is amazing.
It's a liane. Oh my god. Oh, that looks so funny. Yeah. Dangerous one.
I'm in the jungle.
Yeah. Everything's alive and wants to kill you.
Yeah.
Looking good, babe.
Yeah, it will be interesting to see how I will get down there. They're going so fast. Where are we going? Okay. Oh, there's a waterfall. This is so awesome.
Jungle man.
Jungle man.
We made it.
This is cool. Beautiful.
So, our good friend Carlo here,
He wants to take a swim.
he wants to take a swim. And you know me, he's gonna go, I'm gonna go.
Var det awesome?
Oh, it's so refreshing and it's so clean, just pure rainwater. Oh, it's so nice. It is super steep and slippery and muddy and wet here. Is it hard?
Jungle trek.
Jungle trek. Yeah, we've given up any notion of staying dry or clean.
While the boys were swimming, the rain stopped. So now we are going back to the hotel, hopefully. So far we have only seen some very colorful frogs and some howler monkeys. Oop.
A couple of parrots.
Oh no, we didn't see them.
Flying?
No. Oh yeah, okay, maybe one. Maybe one.
And you did spot a small snake.
Oh yeah,
Black one.
a very, very small one.
Yeah. Baby snake.
Yep. I'm good. It's been like that all the way. So. Our guide is just out picking plants. Wow, that's a nice one. Picking plants for the garden.
Looking good, babe.
A big one. It's like my finger. Yeah, it's beautiful.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. That was close.
It's really close, babe.
Oh. Oh. Oh god. Oh good. Oh, the jungle. It's amazing how the plant just grow on the tree. It's like it's just imprinted. Look at this frog. It's all black. I don't want to touch it because I don't... Oopsie. I don't know if it's poison. These are incredible. You really don't want to step on one of these.
Alright, we are almost out of the jungle. It's been a really cool trek in a pristine piece of the jungle.
And we are out. That was quite an experience. With swamps, jungle, waterfall. Yeah, love it. I need water, I need a nap, and I need a shower, and maybe some food.